Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Crash Tag Team Racing on PC. Begin by installing the game and applying required patches so it runs smoothly on modern systems. Check your PC meets minimum specs and update graphics drivers. Connect a controller if you prefer analog steering, then map controls for braking, acceleration, and tagging. Restart the game after changes and test a quick offline race to confirm everything behaves as expected. Explore core controls and physics to feel confident on track. Start with accelerating, braking, drifting, and the tag action to change characters mid-race. Practice combining drifts with boosts to maintain speed through turns. Learn each character's strengths to pick ideal tag partners for tracks. Use head-to-head practice modes to refine timing and take consistent racing lines that reduce lap times and increase your chances in online or local matches. If the game fails to start, try running it in compatibility mode or install a trusted community patch. Lower resolution and disable unnecessary background apps to improve frame rates. Rebind controls and tweak controller dead zones for precise steering and avoid input drift. Verify game files or reinstall if persistent errors occur. Keep save backups in case troubleshooting requires fresh installs, and consult community forums for specific error codes or quirky platform issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.